Another shopping day and recurring issues remain in St. Catherine. The parish has the most COVID-19 cases in the country, yet for the most part, it appears to be business as usual. We again zoom in on Portmore, which is the largest residential and commercial area in the parish.
The lockdown in St. Catherine has been brutal on the public transportation sector in the parish. With less movement by citizens, taxi operators are feeling it in their pockets. So what do you do when the passenger load has dwindled? In the case of Teddy, selling callaloo was the next best thing.
Mother always tell me, so you have to use it and turn fashion. You understand me? So not now go on for the taxi thing because people hardly go out. They burn more gas than more than what you make a daytime. You understand me? So just feel like someone run out 2 while alone, because I'm a rasta, you know, sell out some greens. I'm not now going for the taxi thing, now I make no money.
And business has been great. We also encountered a former jerk chicken vendor. That business too is suffering because of the early curfew times. But no jerk, no problem. He's now selling wholesale chicken and eggs.
Yeah man, people stop and buy and people encourage me to and tell me say the right thing I do. So I'm not really sorry about not knowing what I do right now. I down 300 pounds.
What phone you have?
I have about 150 leave.
150. What
Yeah.
time it came out?
Come out from about 7:45.
We saw more people selling produce from their vehicles than on previous shopping days in Portmore. The number is expected to increase Saturday because of the demand for homegrown food. Again, social distancing was a problem. Many were also elated that banks were open Friday. The long lines outside, however, proved to be too much for some senior citizens. We saw this elderly lady waiting on her turn in a car, while this one sought refuge on the pavement. For the most part, people wore masks, but again, social distancing was a challenge. And with St. Catherine leading the way with the number of COVID-19 cases, Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas is concerned.
My greatest fear is the community spread. And as long as we don't have the community spread, then we are much better off.
Meanwhile, the police were more vigilant at the bus stop, where many non-essential residents were attempting to board JUTC buses. A number of them were turned back. The police also ran a tight ship in the vetting of the motoring public.